Hello guys, today I'm here for isometric drawing. I'm going to make the isometric drawing of this orthographic projection from the box method. To make the isometric drawing of the orthographic projection from the box method, I'm going to make a line first. This reference line. That's our reference line. And then I'm going to make a line again. Line at an angle 30 degree and its length is the line where this surface will incline, and again we need a line from the same point and incline at an angle 30 degree with this. It means incline 150 degree with reference to this. Okay, this is our reference line and we can make a drawing from this. Okay, the angle between these two line is 30 and this two line is also, and this two line is also 30. Two line is also 30. Okay, the angle is 30. Now I'm going to make drawing. To make the isometric drawing from the box method, first of all you need to make a box with maximum dimension. For I'm going to make a line, and this length of this line is 75 mm. Okay, 75 mm. I'm going to incline this line over there, over here. Okay, this line is 75 and it is inclined at an angle 30 degree. Okay, and this is the height, and this total height, this is the 25 and this is 12, and total height is 37. Okay, 37 and angle is 90 degree. I'm going to make, okay, angle is 150 and it's also height is 37 and angle is 90. Okay, yeah, this line is also 75 in length and its in length, and its inclination is 30 with reference to this line. Join these two lines, join the lines with this. Now our box with the maximum dimension is ready here. And okay, I'm going to give a dimension to this box first. Okay, it's 75 mm and its height is 37, and you know that its length is how much? 50. Okay, it's 50. Now I'm going to make the this is top view, and I'm going to make the top view over here and this front view over here, and we can obtain the isometric view from the box method. And for that, first of all, I'm going to make the top view over here. Okay, and for that I'm going to start from this point, and this is 25. The dimension of this line is 25, and I'm going to make the 25 long line which is inclined at an angle 30 degree. Okay, then okay, the length of the length of this line. Okay, this line is how much? 12 mm. Okay, the length of this line is 12 mm, so I'm gonna make line with a 12 mm length, and this is also 25. Here is the dimension. Okay, this is also 25 in. Okay, I'm going to make the line with the 25 mm dimension. This is also inclined at an angle 30 and 12 at an angle. Portion is completed now, and it is remaining to draw. Now I'm going to draw this portion on this top view. I'm going to start from this point and their length, and this length is 20 mm. Okay, so I'm going to make a 20 mm line. Okay, this 20 mm line is now how much the dimension of this line? 25 mm. Okay, I'm going to make a 25 mm. I'm going to make a line with the 25 mm dimension parallel to it, parallel to this line. And then I'm going to make this line now. Okay, this line which are 35 mm in length. Okay, 35 mm, and this line is remaining to draw, and I'm going to draw this line, and its length is 25 and inclination is 150. Okay, and this line is also remaining to draw. Okay, then make this line. Okay, let me see now. This portion is here. This is the top view of the object, and the top view of the object, just we copy the top view of the object over here, and similarly I'm going to copy this front view over here. Okay, let's do that. I'm going to start from this point, and the length of this line, how much is the length of this line? This line is equivalent to this. Okay, this, it means its length is how much? 25. Its height is how much? 12. Here we can clearly see that its height is 12 and incline. Just complete it, and this part is remaining to draw. Okay, make this part also. For that, make a line with complete dimension. Okay, from this to this, the length, total remaining length, this is total length is 75 mm, and this is 25, and remaining length is 50. Okay, now from this point is this edge, and from this is the 25 mm in length. Okay, I'm going to make the 25 mm length, 30 degree inclination, and its height is again 12. And the distance of this point to this point is 20 mm. You can clearly see this. This is the 20 mm, and this line is also 20 mm in dimension. Its dimension is 20 mm, and I have to draw the line from this 20 mm there, from the 20 mm to this point. Not exactly this point, but okay. For that, make a line first from this point, 20 mm line, 150. Okay, and I have to incline this line here, but first of all I have to find out the length of this line. This is 20, the dimension is 20 mm, so I'm going to make a 20 mm line, incline 30 degree. Okay, this is what we need. Okay, now my front view is completed, and also my top view is completed. And using this box method, you can easily draw the isometric drawing of the orthographic projection. Now you can make this, and okay, I'm just going to make this all lines. All lines are red now. Now I'm going to make the real object which we want to draw. For that, this is the top view and this is the front view. Okay, this is the top view and this is the front view. So to obtain the real image, I'm going to make a line from this point. This is the to this. And again a line from this point to this. And okay, now I'm going to make a line. I'm going to make a hidden line for the construction from this point to parallel to this line. Okay, this point and parallel to this line. Just doing these two lines. Okay, and again I'm going to make a line from this point parallel to this line, from this point and parallel to these two lines. It means incline at an angle 30 degree. Now look carefully. This part is our this these two lines. Okay, this is the top view, and this inclined line is this portion. This inclined portion can be seen something like this from the top, And so to make this, I'm going to make a line from this point to this point first. Okay, this point to this point, and its dimension is how much? 25. Okay, it's a clearly 25, 25, 25 to this direction. 25. Join these two lines. Join these lines to this point, and this point, and this point, this point, and this point. This is the this red lines are the hidden line. These red lines are construction line. Sorry. Now our this portion is completed now. This portion is just completed now. So we can remove this hidden lines. Remove this construction line. Erase this. Okay, we can see the line. This is also the solid line. Also cannot be seen from or the isometric view. Okay. Okay. Then just make the construction line from this point and vertically down. Okay, and its total height is 25 and 12. 37 is total height. Okay, I'm going to make a 37 length and its total height is 37 and vertically downward. Okay, again line from this point 37 in length and this is only the construction line. Now for this portion, this group is present on this level, only on this 12 mm. It means this is you can obtain here, and for that just make a solid line now from this point and parallel to these lines, and its length is how much? 12 mm. 12 mm and parallel to these points, and then its length is again 25 parallel to this line, again parallel to these lines, these two lines. Then join these two lines. Okay, this is what we see from the in the isometric view, and it still is not completed. Then let me make the another line. You can see the line from this point to this and this. Okay, then just erase this portion, this erase this construction line. We use only for the construction. Okay, I'm going to erase this one also, and here you can see the line from this point to this point. Now make a line parallel to this line from this point. For that just make a line first. Okay, the total length of this portion is 37, and the height, the height of this point to this is only 25 mm. Okay, I'm going to make a line of 25 mm height vertically downward. Again, line, you can see the visual line from this to this. Exact drawing. This is the exact isometric view of this orthographic projection of this object. Okay, now you can clearly see this, and you can dimension it from this. Okay, it's not a problem. Now I just remove all the construction line here. This is the exact figure. If you see from the vertically, if top plane, you will obtain the figure like this. Okay, this portion, this all portion, this portion is here. Okay, and this portion is what, this inclined portion can be seen something like this from the top, and this portion is this. And when you see from this side, from this view, and you will obtain this box is this box is this, and this middle box is this group. Okay, and this line is the line you can obtain here, and this is the incline, this is the inclined surface, and this is the flat surface, this is this surface. Okay, you can obtain the isometric view of this orthographic projection is like this. Thank you.